Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make our Steel Cut Oat Bowls. Hope you enjoy. So these bowls were going to be very basic, just oats and apples, but then I got a little crazy and thought I should add all these other toppings. So I'll take you through what I add here. So we've got some pepitas and walnuts, and then dates, goji berries and raisins, and then we've got the apples, and I'll be peeling up those in a bit. So for my pot of oats, I use 2 cups of steel cut oats and 4.5 cups of water. But the original recipe is 1/3 cup oats to 3/4 cup of water. And now it's time to cut my apples up. So the oats don't take very long to cook. You can throw the apples right in, and then the rest of your ingredients. I threw the goji berries, raisins, and dates in just so they would get a little softer as I'm browning the pepitas and walnuts. And now it's time to assemble the Steel Cut Oat Bowls. Our bowls are now ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.